How you doing, Parson? We just got done finishing this detail. Show you from the right to the left. Got these completely cleaned up. Got that headlight restored. Just checked out the before video to see the crazy haziness that we had on them. We did a deep clean on it. That means we're getting the tires, hand wash on the outside, get the glass completely done, wipe out everything outside, inside, and got the dash. You can get hold of us at 620-778-6377 if you would like your car detailed. We have basic cleans, deep cleans, and premiums. Let me make sure this is not your way so you can see it. Got this completely vacuumed out. Since it's leather, we wiped it down. Got some extra protectant on it. Make sure to get the edges, grooves, got the windows completely cleaned up. Let me get this trunk open for you guys. Sorry about this. Sorry about that, accidentally as I opened the trunk and I pressed that button. That's just stained. It's not coming out. Oh, we'll end up somehow pushing that button again, closing it. Got these completely cleaned off. Make sure to focus on this. Sometimes grime and grit can get stuck up on the the steering wheel. I've got to push this button to move it forward. Got this completely cleaned off. Got this fully done. Perfect. Sorry, I'm not gonna do that in the video. I'll do that at the end. But if you guys need us, hit us up. Thanks for watching the video, guys.